What's your name? What's in the car?
Okay.
What's in the car?
Hey, Woody, I need you to save me. Say, I'll save you, Dylan.
Hey, my name is Rex in the car.
Okay, say, I'll save you, Dylan.
Hey, what's this?
Can you save me, Rex?
What's this? See? I
did
know.
say, I'll save you, Dylan.
I see you, Darren.
Say it again, louder.
I see you, Darren.
Oh, thank you. Oh, what about me? Say no problem, Owen.
No problem.
Say, thank you. Say,
My name is Rex. My name is Rex.
say, my name is Owen.
My name is Owen.
Thank you. Oh, wait. What about me? Say, we got you, Marty.
Hi, I'm Woody.
Oh,
What are you doing on mine?
hi. Say,
Wait, what are you doing on my car?
hey, wait a minute.
Say no. Ow!
Well, sorry about that. Say, stop hitting, Marty.
Stop hitting my car, Marty.
Ah!
Sorry,
Say my name one more time, and I will wrestle you. Say my name one more time.
Marty.
What?
Yeah, Marty.
I dare you to say it again.
Marty.
Who?
Marty.
Ah! Hey, what's my name?